So the Maverick did make my medal prediction for Paris. 11 medals, 3 gold, 6 silver, 2 bronze. Of course, some heavy criticisms came my way because in those predictions, there is no medal for Oblique Seville, no medal for Rochelle Clayton, and no medal for Shelley and Fraser Price. Silver for the women 4x1 and silver for Sharika in the 100. My 3 gold are Kishane Thompson in the 100, Nikisha Price in the 400, and Sharika in the 200. The others are silver and bronze. And people saying the Maverick is too negative and too conservative and Jamaica can win 15 or 20 medals. Well, put it this way. For Jamaica to win 15 or 20 medals, a lot of things will have to go bad for some other countries. And conversely, everything would have to go right for Jamaica. I doubt that will happen. Jamaica will not be that lucky. So that is why my medal prediction remains at 11, 3 gold, 6 silver, and 2 bronze. That stands.